Hello, I'm Sophie Budd from Taste Buds Cooking Studio, and I'm joined today by
Kate Brody from Sister Super IGA and Joondalup.
And we're going to be making some super quick, super yummy recipes that you guys can make at home. So the recipe I'm going to be doing today is a really quick raw ball. And to do that, I'm going to use a couple of different ingredients. It's pretty simple. You use medjool dates. Now it's important to use these ones rather than the packet dates that you get in the cake aisle because they're really squishy. So I'm going to use about a cup of those. And then you can choose 3 different nuts or seeds. I'm using sunflower seeds and whole almonds. You can use skin on or skin off. Some hazelnuts and a pinch of salt. Now a pinch of salt adds a little bit of saltiness to the raw balls, and it just kind of, you know, like that salty caramel flavour, it just brings a little bit of savoury to all of the sweet. Some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon, some cinnamon powder. I'm going to do about a tablespoon, I love cinnamon, and a good squeeze of honey. So probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons. And then the thing that binds it all together is coconut oil. In the summer the coconut oil will come runny in the jar, but if it's been somewhere cold it's hard, so you just sit the pot of coconut oil in a pot of boiling water and it goes runny. And again, about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Put it in a food processor, or if you have a Thermomix, they're pretty good as well. And what I'm looking for is that everything's broken up quite a bit, but the dates are starting to stick it all together. Always pull out the blade of the food processor because it can be a little bit sharp. Reach in and squish. It's that simple. What will happen is when they go into the fridge, the coconut oil will set the balls, and you can make them any size you like, and they don't have to be a perfect circle. You may find that you need a little bit of water on your hands to stop the mix from sticking. Now you can get really creative with these using macadamias, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, whatever is your favorite. And so that's a really quick raw ball recipe, and you're going to save a lot of money making them yourself. I recommend putting them into a sealed Tupperware tub into the fridge so they don't absorb the flavours of the fridge, and they will last you a couple of weeks.